Good day everyone, Madam, Sir and Mates, especially to our instructor, Mr. Chalbert Hala. I am Cadet Brioso with Cadet Bote. We are the reporters of Group 4 about the Industrial Revolution. So first, what is the Industrial Revolution? The Industrial Revolution shifted societies from an agrarian economy to a manufacturing economy where products were no longer made solely by hand but by machines. This led to increased production and efficiency, lower prices, more goods, improved wages, and migration from rural areas to urban areas. The first Industrial Revolution was in the year of 1760 to 1830. This was the period of mechanization, steam, and water power. The first industrial revolution was a period of global transition of the human economy towards more widespread, efficient, and stable manufacturing processes that succeeded the agricultural revolution, starting from Great Britain and spreading to continental Europe and the United States, that occurred during the period from around 1760 to about 1820 to 1840. This transition included going from hand production methods to machines, new chemical manufacturing and iron production processes, the increasing use of water power and steam power, the development of machine tools, and the rise of mechanized factory system. Output greatly increased and the result was unprecedented rise in population and the rate of population growth. The textile industry was the first to use modern production methods, and textiles became the dominant industry in terms of employment, value of output, and capital invested. The Second Industrial Revolution in the year of 1870 to 1914. The Second Industrial Revolution, also known as the Technological Revolution, was a phase of rapid scientific discovery, standardization, mass production, and industrialization from the late 19th century into the 20th century. The First Industrial Revolution, which ended in the middle of the 19th century, was punctuated by a slowdown in important inventions before the Second Industrial Revolution in 1870. The Second Industrial Revolution is generally dated between 1870 and 1914, the beginning of World War I. Advancement in manufacturing and production technology enabled the widespread adoption of technological systems such as telegraph and railroad networks, gas and water supply, and sewage systems, which had earlier been limited to a few select cities. The enormous expansion of rail and telegraph lines after 1870 allowed an unprecedented movement of the people and ideas, which culminated in a new wave of globalization. In the same period, new technological systems were introduced, most significantly electrical power in telephones. The Second Industrial Revolution continued into the 20th century with early factory electrification and the production line. It ended at the beginning of World War I. The Third Industrial Revolution in the year of 1950.
The information age, also known as the Third Industrial Revolution, computer age, digital age, silicon age, new media age, internet age, or the digital revolution, is a historical period that began in the mid-20th century to the early 21st century. It is characterized by a rapid shift from traditional industries as established during the Industrial Revolution to an economy centered on information technology. The onset of the information age has been linked to the development of the transistor in 1947 and the optical amplifier in 1957. These technological advances have had a significant impact on the way information is processed and transmitted. According to the United Nations Public Administration Network, the information age was formed by capitalizing on computer microminiaturization advances which lead to modernized information systems and internet communications as the driving force of social evolution. The Third Industrial Revolution, IR3, began in the 1950s and is considered as the move from mechanical and analog electronic technology to digital electronics. Nano, bio, and IT technologies, 3D printing, artificial intelligence, robotics, etc. are the most important driver of the IR3. Fourth Industrial Revolution, 4IR or Industry 4.0 is a buzzword and neologism describing rapid technological advancement in the 21st century. The term was popularized in 2016 by Klaus Schwab, the World Economic Forum founder and executive chairman, who says that the changes shows a significant shift in industrial capitalism. A part of this space of industrial change is the joining of technologies like artificial intelligence and gene editing to advance robotics that blurs the lines between the physical, digital, and biological worlds. Throughout this Fundamental shifts are taking place in how the global production and supply network operates through ongoing automation of traditional manufacturing and industrial practices, using modern smart technology, large-scale machine-to-machine communication, or M2M, and the Internet of Things, or IoT. This integration results in increasing automation, improving communication and self-monitoring, and the use of smart machines that can analyze and diagnose issues without the need for human intervention. It also represents a social, political, and economic shift from the digital age of the late 1990s and early 2000s to an era of embedded connectivity distinguished by the ubiquity of technology in society, i.e. a metaverse that changes the ways humans experience and know the world around them. It posits that we have created an era entering on the augmented social reality compared to the just natural senses and industrial ability of human alone.
And that is our topic all about. We hope that all of you understand our report about the Industrial Revolution. Thank you and God bless us all.